Yeah. Would it be cool to say? Yeah, intuition, just wanna follow intuition. All my senses tell me I know what you've been thinking. I've been feeling, what if we got up, left this party?
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have some super exciting news to share. My products are officially available in store. So in today's video, I'll be taking you behind the scenes as I prep and set up for my very first retail display. This is my Falcon A1 laser engraver I received through a recent collaboration. I like to take on partnerships when the product is something I actually want to use for my small business. And this engraver is a great example of that. I was considering ordering custom engraved caps for my car diffusers, but the minimum order quantity was quite large and it made it hard to commit. So being able to engrave these myself is a huge game changer. If you've been following along on my small business and candle making journey, you'll know that getting into a retail space has been a goal of mine, but the right opportunity just hadn't come up until now. So I will be in a maker store that recently opened in Newmarket at the Upper Canada Mall location. And if you're not familiar, Makers is a curated retail space that showcases local Canadian-made products from small businesses. It's a great option for local customers in the Toronto area to experience my products in person. You can smell the scents and shop directly. It is a little bit outside of the downtown core. It's about an hour drive north of the city. But if you're in the area, definitely drop by if you are interested in seeing my products in person. I think this will also be a great opportunity for me to sell more limited or one-of-a-kind pieces that I make here on my channel. And it's also a nice way to connect with the local community and build exposure of my brand. I launched a bigger scent assortment of my hanging diffusers for Makers, and they've actually become my best sellers so far. I'll definitely need to restock soon with more scents. And when I do restock, I plan to launch some of my fall candles and maybe introduce a few more limited pieces. Since the store is a bit of a drive for me, I want to make sure that I bring enough product to restock for a few weeks.
Don't know if you know this too. I'd rather be right here with you. Nothing else matters right now. It's just you and me, boy. 순간까지 수평선을 걷고 우주까지 가볼게. 마지막 순간까지.
This is the original display I had in mind. I have an entry shelf, so I believe the depth is 12 inches, and this is slightly longer, so I'm not sure if they'll allow this display. So as a backup, I might just use these and do 2 for my wax melts and 2 for my car air fresheners. And then these are the candles. I put together about 8 different scents. I'm just gonna go put these in my car and get ready to take them over to the store. I've loaded everything up and I'm ready to go. Let's go to Makers.
Forget your rules, forget your shoes. I've done everything you asked, but I wasted time. Forget your truth, you're just cool. I swear anything's better than you. Catch you on the flip side, catch you on the flip side.
Would it be cool to say? Yeah, intuition, just wanna follow intuition. All my senses tell me I know what you've been thinking. I've been feeling, what if we got up, left this party? Cause I can see you're probably gonna be scrolling feeds all night long.